What is going on today, YouTube? Today, I'm going to explain stock investing very, very simply. If you're new to my channel, I make daily stock market videos. Just trying to teach you guys stuff I wish I knew when I first started. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel, leave a like on the video, and comment below if you have any questions. So, basically, all stock investing is, we're going to use Apple for this example. You can see down here, when you buy shares in a stock, you are basically owning a small portion of that company. So you are, in a way, giving the company money when you buy shares of a stock. The stock, you can see the stock price, Apple up here. Every share you want to buy is $178, and this changes based on the company. Say we go to Ford. If you want to buy a share of Ford, it's $11.15. So to go back to Apple. Now, if you guys see the stuff down here, the ways you can make money off of shares of your stock. You make money if the stock price goes up. So say you buy it $178 and it goes up to $180. Basically, you make $2. So you can make a profit when the stock price goes up. You can make a profit if the company pays dividends. So down here, we can hover over it, see dividend was 57 cents. So every quarter when a company pays you dividends, they'll pay you 57 cents per share. So if you have 100 shares, you make $57. 1,000, $570, and you make that every quarter a company pays dividends. So one, you make you make money if the stock price goes up. So if the company's doing well, company's increasing their profits, increasing in value, their stock price goes up. The stock market makes the stock price to match what they think the company is going to do in the future. That's what PE ratios are and everything else. So if the company's earnings are going up, the company's increasing, they pay you dividends, and they pay you dividends and you can make money that way. As you can see, Apple's dividends, they're increasing right now. They're at 52 cents, 2015. Then they went up to 57 cents. Now they're up to 63 cents. They keep on increasing their dividends. A company will pay dividends. It's like a way of giving back to their shareholders. And they give back to their shareholders when it's not always a good or bad thing if a company does or does not pay dividends. It's good for you because you can make money that way, and you can reinvest those dividends, and if the company keeps on going up, you'll make more and more money. But if a company does not pay dividends and they're actually using the money to make their company better, that is a good case scenario when it's good for a company. As long as the stock price is going up and they don't pay dividends, you're still making money. If they reinvest their money wisely, you make more money. So if you're the long-term investor, you want to find companies that you think are going to increase in value in the future. You never want to invest in something that you think is going to go down in the future. If you think Apple, say, is at their peak and they're not going to go up anymore, they're not going to increase their sales, they're not going to increase their company's value, you do not want to invest in it. So the best investments you can find are companies that are not covered by so the best companies you could find to expand your money the fastest possible would be finding small companies that no one really knows about yet. And I have tons of videos on this kind of stuff. Check out my other videos if you want to know. I show you how to stock selection strategies, strategies to invest in stocks for a long-term investor, stuff like that. But basically, just for this video, if you invest in stock, you basically buy a portion of that company, and you can make money if the company keeps on increasing their profits. So that's it for the video, guys. Just a basic understanding of what the stock market is, what it is when you buy a share of a stock. If you like this video, leave a like on the video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel if you like. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like this kind of content, leave a like on the video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys tomorrow.